Welcome to Nifty 60 market update, 8 November 2016. The market once again continues to remain choppy ahead of the US presidential elections. And like yesterday, we had mentioned, support resistance level around 8550 continues to be a very important zone which needs to be surpassed on an hourly charts. That's when we can conclude that the market will go into the upper uh, void, which is the around 8650 levels. So as one can see from these charts, the support zones around 8440 and the resistance zones around 8650 to 8700 continues to remain important area for the markets to contest with. So considering this aspect, one should continue to maintain a ranged approach till these particular zones are negated. Now, when you actually look for the trading perspective, from a trading perspective, one can use the rallies to these levels around 8550 to 8580 as a reason to initiate some shorts because we are finding that there is consistent selling opportunities emerging. You can see here, I'll just remove all these studies and you can see here that the upper areas are continuously witnessing some supply. So the rallies into yesterday's zone was an ideal area to sell. So 8550 is the immediate resistance for all intraday traders to watch out for. So if anyone wants to participate, rather itching to participate in Nifty, then one can look for a short opportunity in Nifty with a stop above 8580 and trading right down to the gap region around 8460. Else, you could initiate some short in the stocks where we have found a good opportunity on LNT, where we see that the Bollinger Band has widened quite well, and the consistent selling pressure at higher levels has prompted the prices to tag the lower end of the band. And you can see here that the prices have been tagging the lower end of the band, and they have been trading below the 15-minute low, which is a good signal for an intraday player. And to add some weight to your evidence, you can see that the MACD has also been unable to lift itself above the zero filter line, and which indicates clearly that the sellers are in complete command. With that, we initiate a short in LNT at current levels with a stop above today's high for a drop down to 1375 to 1370. With that, we come to an end of today's Nifty 60 market update. Thank you.